Hello, I'm Stacy from the website Truly Majestic. Today we are going to be creating this nice, fluffy, arm knitted, chunky knit chair cushion. But before I do tell you this, I have to tell you, wherever you are, save this project if you want to do it later, because I do at times make blocks of my tutorials unlisted and invisible on YouTube and on Google, so you won't be able to find them later unless you save it and have the exact link for it. So do that, please. If you'd like to subscribe, let me know in the comments, because I'll give you a personal welcome to my channel and point you to some really helpful videos. So we first need our green yarn, and we want to do a stretchy cast on. So we're going to first make a slip knot, and now we want to cast on another 5 stitches, so we'll have a total of 6. So the way I do this, put my hand like this, give it a twirl all the way around, and put your hand through. And I'm going to cinch these up nice and snug. So you have it like this, all the way around and in. You can see how I'm doing this, hopefully. If this is too fast, you can always slow it down, because it is YouTube and you have that option. So now we have 6 stitches on our arm. Actually, I think I want one more to make it the width I want. So we'll do 7. Now, to finish this cast off row, we simply grab this yarn and pull that off, and it makes a new loop. Our hand goes in. So I do this the entire way across. Now, if your arms are too big, you can always do this on the floor open. You don't have to have it on your arms. Just make sure your stitches are somewhat the same size. So that's the end of our cast on row. This is called a single cast on, and it's very stretchy. So to continue on, we're going to slip the first stitch always in every row, and that makes a nice braid pattern up the side. And we're going to knit all of these rows for 2 more rows. So to do a knit stitch, let me turn around so you can see my arms this way. A knit stitch is done by opening the stitch up and taking your yarn from the back to the front. So we want to go with our new yarn in through like this. And our hand always goes from the back of the stitch to the front. So let's open up another stitch, get this tail out of the way, and take our yarn from back to front and in. Okay? So let me finish that up. And the last stitch on every row, you just simply grab your yarn and pull it straight through. And then, like always on every row, we need to slip the first stitch. So I'm going to do 1 more row and then change colors. Same thing, knit all the way across. And pull my yarn up. Now I'm going to do a color change. For the rest of this video, please see the link in the description. If you would like to see all of my full-length arm knitting and full finger crocheting video tutorials, there's also a link to my arm knitting membership group, which has everything there in full length.